How to fix app blocked by system problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, right click to your Microsoft Edge, and then what you will have to do is go to its properties. Tap on this three dot and now go to settings. After that, go to privacy, search and services. Now simply go to privacy and then make sure to check send do not track request and check allow sites to check if you have payment method saved. And in this security section, simply turn this block potentially unwanted apps and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next